Hey guys, got a 2016 plate Hyundai Tucson here. Just going to show you how to adjust the date and the time on this one. So on this one, we're going to come to the screen on the center of the dash. First, make sure your ignition is turned on or the engine on. And from here, we're going to press the settings icon in the bottom right. Then go to System. Then Clock. Then you can either set it on GPS time, so it automatically do it for you where you are, or if you want to do it manually, turn it off, then go to Date and Time Settings, and then you can put what you want here, all your hours, and then once you're done, press back, and it'll save it. So you can change your format here from 24 hour to 12 hour. And again, just press back, and that'll save.